Hello students, this is second video of motion. The next topic is the distance. Distance is what? The actual length of path traveled by a moving body is called distance. Actual length of path, if a body start to move from a point and where they reach the point, second point, the actual length of path which traveled by body is called its distance. The SI unit of distance is meter, the symbol is m, and CS unit of distance is centimeter, is cm. And next topic is speed. The distance traveled per unit time is called speed. The distance traveled per unit time is called speed in any direction. Okay, then speed equal distance traveled by time taken, and the symbol of speed is v, distance is d, and time is t. SI unit of speed is distance meter, time second, meter per second, and CS unit of speed is distance centimeter, time second, centimeter per second. Okay, again this we see distance is what? Distance is speed into time. Just if you start to move from point A and you travel first path AB, that is distance S1 in time T1. Second, from B point to C point, it is the second path BC, distance is S2 and time taken B to C is T2. And third distance path is C to D, the distance is S3 length of path and time taken is T3. And fourth is D to E point path, distance is S4, time taken T4. Then the total length of path AB plus BC plus CD plus D, the actual length of path AB plus BC plus CD plus DD is the distance. Okay, and next topic is the average speed. When for a moving body its total distance traveled divided by total time taken, then it is called average speed. Means average speed equal total distances traveled by total time taken. Means S1 plus S2 plus S3, total time taken by T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay, and some special case of average speed. If a body moving with speed v1 for time t1, अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट बॉडी v1 स्पीड से t1 समय तक चलता है, v2 स्पीड से t2 समय तक चलता है, और स्पीड v3 से वो फॉर टाइम t3 तक चलता है, तो इस कंडीशन में एवरेज स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? एवरेज स्पीड का बेसिक फॉर्मूला होता है टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम टेकन, बट वी ऑलरेडी वी नो डिस्टेंस इक्वल स्पीड इनटू टाइम. तो फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस s1 इक्वल व्हाट? v1 इंटू t1. Second distance S2 is what? V2 into T2. And third distance S3 is what? V3 into T3 by total time taken T1 plus T2 plus T3. It is the special case of average speed when speed and time given. Okay, then you apply this formula. And next, if a body moves on a circular path of radius r and complete n revolutions in total time t, then average speed is what? N into 2 pi r by t, where distance is 2 pi r in one revolution, then n revolution total distance is what? N into 2 pi r. Okay, next some special case of average speed is if a body cover half distance with speed v1 and rest half distance of its journey with speed v2. फर्स्ट आधी दूरी को आप v1 से ट्रेवल करते हैं और नेक्स्ट आधी दूरी को आप v2 से ट्रेवल करते हैं, तो आपका एवरेज स्पीड क्या हो जाएगा? फॉर्मूला एवरेज स्पीड इक्वल टू v1 इंटू v2 बाई v1 प्लस v2. जैसे कि आप मुंबई से आप पुणे आ रहे हैं, तो हाफ डिस्टेंस आपने ट्रेवल किया v1 स्पीड से और नेक्स्ट हाफ डिस्टेंस आपने ट्रेवल किया v2 स्पीड से, तो आपकी एवरेज स्पीड क्या होगी? तो यू अप्लाई फॉर्मूला इन दिस कंडीशन टू v1 इंटू v2 बाई v1 प्लस v2. नेक्स्ट special case of average speed is if a train half distance between Madhupur and Devghar cover with speed 30 km per hour and rest half distance traveled by 20 km per hour, then what is the average speed of the train? So first distance, half distance to travel with v1 is 30 km per hour and next half distance to travel with v2 equal 20 km per hour. Then average speed is what? VAV equal to v1 into v2 by v1 plus v2, means 2 into 30 into 20 by 30 plus 20 means 1200 by 50, 24 km per hour your average speed. Next average speed is what? If a body travel A to B with speed v1 and come back B to A with speed v2. अगर दो पॉइंट है A और B, A से B गया v1 स्पीड से और वापस फिर B से A आए v2 स्पीड से, तो आपकी जर्नी का टोटल एवरेज स्पीड क्या हुआ? तो वी ए वी इक्वल टू v1 इंटू v2 बाई v1 प्लस v2. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वेलोसिटी. and velocity is what? The rate of change of displacement. Velocity is what? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Here displacement is the shortest distance between initial point to final point. Here A is a initial point and E is a final point. Then the distance between initial point to final point, it is the displacement. It is what? Displacement. Okay. Then and velocity is what? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Velocity equals change in displacement by time taken. If for a moving body at time t1, your first displacement position is what? S1. As seen figure at A, the first position displacement distance is what? S1, that is the AM. And at time t2, your second position is B, and at B the second position displacement is your S2. Okay, then displacement what? A shortest distance between initial point and final point, that is the AB is the displacement. Okay, shortest distance between initial point and final point position. Okay, the velocity is what? The rate of change of displacement. Change in displacement is S2 minus S1 by T2 minus T1. S2 minus S1 is the shortest distance, that is DS. It is called shortest distance, that is the displacement, and dt is the time taken. Okay, velocity is a vector physical quantity. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. CGS unit of velocity is the centimeter per second, and velocity may be 0, negative and positive. That depends upon the displacement nature. Okay, displacement since 0, negative and positive, so velocity also 0, negative and positive. Initial velocity of denoted by u, the velocity with which a body start to move, that is called initial velocity. And final velocity, the second velocity after time the velocity changes, that is the final velocity, that is denoted by v. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को v से u से डिनोट करते हैं और फाइनल वेलोसिटी को, सेकेंड वेलोसिटी को v से डिनोट करते हैं. when a body start from rest position, then its initial velocity u always consider 0. Okay student, and when a body moves on a circular path and complete its one revolutions, then displacement is what? 0. मैंने बॉडी जहाँ से चलना स्टार्ट किया और एक चक्कर लगाकर फिर वहीं पे रुक जाता है, तो उसकी डिस्टेंस तो 2 पाई आर होती है, लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? 0. और जब डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 हुआ तो उस कंडीशन वेलोसिटी भी क्या होगा? 0. ओके, दिस इज द velocity conditions, velocity structure. And next is what? Acceleration. Acceleration is what? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration A. If a body start to move with initial velocity u, and after time t the final velocity is what? V, then acceleration is what? Change in velocity time taken. A equal final velocity minus initial velocity by t, v minus u by t. Acceleration is a vector physical quantity. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. CGS unit of acceleration is centimeter per second square. Some more nature of acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Uniform like this straight curve. It is the velocity time graph. Velocity time graph slope represent acceleration. And acceleration, when graph is a straight, in equal time velocity changes equally. If in equal time interval the velocity of a body changes equally, then its acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Okay, this is a straight graph structure, velocity time graph. Non-uniform acceleration is what? If in equal time interval the velocity of a body changes unequally. टाइम इंटरवल इक्वल है बट वेलोसिटी में चेंजेस अनइक्वली हो रहा है, कभी 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड, कभी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, कभी 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इफ इन इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल वेलोसिटी चेंजेस अनइक्वली, then it is said to be non-uniform acceleration. Its graph is like not a straight curve. It is not straight. It is a curve structure. It is a non-uniform. It is a non-uniform graph. Velocity time graph. It is non-uniform acceleration represent these two graph. Okay. And sometime when with time velocity not be changes, अगर टाइम के साथ वेलोसिटी में कोई चेंजेस नहीं हो रहा है, देखो यहाँ पर सिंपल एक कांस्टेंट लाइन के साथ वो जा रहा है, टाइम बढ़ रहा है लेकिन वेलोसिटी भी कांस्टेंट है. इस कंडीशन में क्या कहेंगे? इसको हम लोग कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी बोलते हैं या जीरो एक्सेलरेशन होता है यहाँ. ओके स्टूडेंट, क्लियर? एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन. Equations of motion. If a body start to move with velocity u at a point A, and after time t its second position is B, where velocity is a v, and time taken is total OC equal t. Okay, initial velocity u, time taken t, after time OC equal t, and final velocity v with cover distance s. Then acceleration equal what? Rate of change velocity v minus u by t. तो v क्रॉस गुना करोगे यहाँ पे, a इक्वल v minus u by t, क्रॉस गुना करोगे v minus u इक्वल at, तो v इक्वल at आ गया. एवरेज वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? v u प्लस v बाई 2. initial velocity plus final velocity by 2, that is average velocity. And distance equal what? Distance equal, you know formula, average velocity into time. एवरेज वेलोसिटी का u प्लस v बाई 2 इंटू टी, यहाँ v का मान पुट कर देंगे u प्लस ए टी, सो u टू u हो जाएगा 80. आगे कैलकुलेशन इस तरह से आगे बढ़ाते जाएंगे तो नया फॉर्मूला आपको मिल जाएगा, एस इक्वल यू टी प्लस हाफ टी स्क्वायर. एंड थर्ड इक्वेशन मोशन इज v स्क्वायर इक्वल u स्क्वायर प्लस 2s. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.